If I had to learn coding from scratch again, I would do things very differently. I'm a software engineer now, but back then I wasted months learning the wrong stuff, building useless apps, and I actually thought about quitting more often than I actually like to admit. And those failures taught me what not to do. And today I'm going to save you that pain. So here is how I would learn to code if I would have to start all over again. When I first got into programming, everyone told me start with C or C++. They are powerful, foundational, sounded smart. But in my opinion, learning C or C++ first is like jumping into physics without any math. And for the start, it's way too complicated. I spent months confused and chasing memory bugs and getting nowhere. So eventually I realized something has to change. That's when I discovered Python. And actually it looks too easy, almost like cheating. So I worried no one would take me seriously. But suddenly coding felt clear and fun. I could build stuff now, fast, that works. Actually, I've done a video how to start to program with Python with clear instructions, hands-on. Check it out above. Here is the key. Don't try to build the next AI, but also don't waste your time on trying to solve puzzles either. So find simple and useful projects, like a habit tracker or a tool that reminds you when your favorite Alex Tech video drops. Every Sunday, by the way, if you're subscribed. So Python made it very easy. Simple syntax, huge library support, and fast results. But then I hit another wall. A friend invited me into a hackathon. I was thrilled and I thought I was ready. Plot twist, I wasn't. People were talking about databases, APIs, front-end frameworks, and I was totally lost. That's when I realized I knew how to write code, but not how to build software. And that showed me a difference. Coding is solving isolated problems, and programming is building real solutions. So if I could start over again, I would do this. Step 1, Python basics. So just the basics, variables, loops, functions. Step 2, build a small project that solves a real-life problem. Step 3, learn the web dev basics. So React or JavaScript for front-end and Express.js for back-end, for example. And then step 4, use MongoDB or Firebase to manage real-world data. And that's very important. I would keep building small but complete projects. And I would join hackathons or dev communities to grow faster. So funny enough, once I understood real programming, I revisited C and C++. And this time they clicked. Because the best programmers aren't the ones who know the most languages. They're the ones who can learn fast and solve real problems. So if you're starting out, don't chase perfection. Build, learn, mess up and repeat. Stay practical, stay curious, and most importantly, have fun. And now go break some code. Until next video, or better until next week. See you, happy coding and peace out.
You think that this life's made for a king?